Studio microphone, it's back. The legend returns, reborn, refined, and more aggressive than ever. After a brief hiatus and a wave of speculation, the 2025 Subaru WRX STI has arrived. And let me tell you, this isn't just a WRX with a wing. This is a full-blown rally-inspired weapon, with Subaru's engineering team digging deep into their motorsport DNA to create something truly special. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the 2025 WRX STI, design, powertrain, performance, features, and what this car means for the modern enthusiast. Buckle up, because the king of the dirt is ready to fight back. Studio microphone, first off, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Subaru pulled the plug on the STI in 2022, much to the disappointment of die-hard fans. At the time, they claimed the next-gen STI wouldn't meet upcoming emissions and efficiency targets. But behind the scenes, Subaru was quietly developing something new. The result? A 2025 WRX STI that's not just compliant with modern regulations, but still an absolute thrill machine. This car marks the first STI model built on Subaru's latest global performance platform, stiffer, lighter, and more adaptable than anything before it. And it's got the heart to match. The 2025 WRX STI houses a re-engineered version of Subaru's FA24 2.4-liter turbocharged flat 4. But forget the 271 horsepower from the standard WRX. In STI trim, this engine's been massaged, tuned, and refined to pump out a staggering 375 horsepower and 361 lb-ft of torque. That's the most power Subaru has ever put into a production STI, and it shows. 0 to 60. Just 4.1 seconds. Quarter mile. Low 12s. Top speed. 165 miles per hour. All of that is mated to a revised 6-speed manual transmission, yes, still a manual, and Subaru's signature symmetrical all-wheel drive system. But now, there's more, a new active torque vectoring system, an upgraded driver-controlled center differential, DCCD, and selectable drive modes that actually make a difference on road and off. And for the first time ever, there's an optional dual-clutch automatic for those who want max performance without rowing gears. But purists, don't worry, Subaru's still all about the analog thrill. Studio microphone, performance isn't just about numbers. It's about how a car makes you feel behind the wheel. The STI now sits on a wider track and rides 10 mm lower than the WRX.